See, if you've clicked this video, it becomes my responsibility to give you the content worth your time. But before that, I want two things. First is, whenever you watch any such kind of strategy video, please take a diary and a pen with you and jot down the important points from the video. Otherwise, watching such a video will be of no use and soon everything will disappear from your head. Second is to watch the video till the end. Decide now itself, either leave the video now or stick till the end, because watching an incomplete video will only and only waste your time. Let's first talk about the highlighting techniques. First thing to keep in mind is that in the first and the second reading of a particular chapter, don't highlight anything. Why? Because in the first and even in the second reading of the chapter, everything seems important, and then you will actually end up painting the entire page, जिसकी वजह से the points and sentences which are actually important and volatile, even they will look the same as the unimportant ones. Now, to resist this temptation, just take a pencil and underline the ones that you think might be important, but don't highlight. Start from a light colored highlighter. Initially, you can use yellow, and after third or the fourth reading, when you give a test in your coaching or practice MCQs, you'll yourself realize the topics which are frequently asked and the ones which you tend to forget more often, or the ones which are volatile. Just highlight them with green. Also, when you are in the last month of your preparation and you get any question wrong, or you feel that you'll forget that line within a month, हाईलाइट इट विद एन ऑरेंज हाईलाइटर, क्योंकि लास्ट वीक में बस इन्हीं ऑरेंज हाईलाइटेड वालों को तो ज़रूर से देखना है. काफ़ी चीज़ें शुरू में लगता है कि लर्न नहीं होगी, बट 5-10 रीडिंग्स के बाद ऑलमोस्ट 80% चीज़ें जहन में बैठ चुकी होती है. एंड एट द एंड ऑफ 2 years you just have to make sure that you are revising those 20% in the last week of NEET. Also, make sure you are highlighting the word or letter. एग्जाम्पल, मिलियन एंड बिलियन को पूरा हाईलाइट करने से बेटर है एम या बी को हाईलाइट करना. फॉर अंडरलाइनिंग यू कैन यूज ब्लू एंड रेड पेन्स. अगेन, these sentences underlined with red would be more confusing than the ones underlined with blue. Remember, color coding helps you a lot. साइंटिस्ट वाले पोर्शन में सिर्फ इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ें ही पूछेगा एनटीए, तो बस उनको हाईलाइट करके रखना है. समरी ज़रूर से पढ़नी है, शुड नॉट बी नेग्लेक्टेड, बिकॉज इसमें ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं जो मेन टेक्स्ट में नहीं है. Next step is to use symbols. For example, I used a star for the points I have to revise again and again, a bone for the galtis I do in every test, and double ticks for my weakest paragraph. While reading a chapter, frame questions from each and every line. You can either make a separate notebook containing the chapter-wise questions framed by you in the form of a fill in the blank, or short notes, or true false, or one word, or simply paste small chips on the NCERT pages containing those questions from that particular page. एक ही चीज़ बार बार पढ़ने से बेटर साइड वाले क्वेश्चंस के थ्रू एक्टिवली रिकॉल करो. जिन क्वेश्चंस में अटको उन्हें हाईलाइट कर लेना, एंड लेटर ऑन यू कैन रेफर टू दोज हाईलाइटेड वंस ओनली, बिकॉज वंस द ह्यूमन ब्रेन फॉरगेट्स समथिंग, chances are high that it will forget the same thing the next time. Tip number 4 is that read NCERT as many times as you can. But wait, there's another problem. You might have realized that in a 10 to 15 page chapter, we start with full energy, but by the time we reach the end, we are tired. So the attention and the grasping power goes down, and that's normal. And because of that, last topics, which are often NTA's favorite, mostly go wrong in the exam. To prevent this, एक बार अगर चैप्टर के फर्स्ट टॉपिक से स्टार्ट किया तो नेक्स्ट टाइम लास्ट टॉपिक से स्टार्ट करना. दिस वे द होल चैप्टर गेट्स रिवाइज्ड इवनली एंड नथिंग फील्स टू वीक. टिप 5. मेन टेक्स्ट इज ऑब्वियसली इम्पॉर्टेंट, बट डोंट इग्नोर डायग्राम्स, टेबल्स, summary, introduction. Even the back exercises are important. एग्जामिनर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखिए तो उन्हें ईजी रहता है क्वेश्चंस फ्रेम करने में फ्रॉम टेबल्स एंड डायग्राम्स, सो मेक श्योर यू रिवाइज देम प्रॉपरली. ऑल्सो प्लीज कीप अ ट्रैक ऑफ नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स यू हैव रेड अ पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर बाय मेकिंग टैली मार्क्स.